What makes the believer spend in charity from that which he loves? This is not limited to money. This could be giving your time, your effort, the knowledge, all forms of giving. And giving is to give and you don't expect anything in return. What is the greatest motivation for a believer to continue giving and continue implementing Allah's command? أنفقوا مما رزقناكم. It is only one answer, and that is the believers continuously give because of their belief in Allah la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum, and because of their belief that they will meet Allah after their death, which is the ayat that mentioned of resurrection and how people will be raised after their death. And this is why in Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam he said, as-sadaqatu burhan. The sadaqah, the charity you give is a proof. But it's a proof of what? It's a proof that you believe Allah la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. This is what it's a proof of. It is a proof that you want Allah and you desire what is with Allah Azza wa Jal, and that you have detached yourself from the luxuries of this world. Wallah, my brothers and sisters in Islam, the one who is in doubt concerning Allah and the one who is in doubt concerning the afterlife will not give. He will not give. Only someone who knows Allah and believes in Allah and knows that Allah is Al-Hayyul Qayyum, لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم. All the way until this ayah you believe in these qualities about Allah, such a person will continuously give without fear of poverty. And so I ask you a question. Who from among mankind knew Allah the most? Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. This is why he was described as يُعْطِي عَطَاءً مَنْ لَا يَخْشَى الْفَقْرِ. He used to give the giving of the one who would never ever fear poverty at all. You would see Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and you'd say, isn't he worried that he will go broke one day? Isn't he? You would say that about him. يعني كان أجود بالخير من الريح المرسلة. He was more generous than an uncontrollable wind. You know the uncontrollable wind? You know when the wind blows, it does not leave anything in its path except that it touches the trees, the people, the houses, the sand, the rocks, anything, it touches it. When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was more generous than that, what does that mean? Meaning his sadaqah, each and every single person in the community would see the goodness of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and the giving of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The old, the young, the children, the poor, the rich, the widow, the orphan, everyone would have something from the generosity of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.